Alright, I have a new reel, new rod and reel. This is the Ardent Edge. It's a 7 foot 6, and I have the 6-5-1 gear ratio with the 9 ball bearings. I've used many a bait casters. I fished a lot, and I'm telling you, I'm here to witness this, and in my own hands is this Ardent Apex tournament. It's so smooth and casts a mile. The first cast, I was blown away. Look at the, I don't even have to put my thumb on the, oh my God, I love this sucker. This is unbelievable, guys. I mean, most bait casters, almost all bait casters, I gotta put my thumb down. This is crazy. It's so smooth. My thumb wants to go down there because it's a habit, but wow, man. It's like a fishing ninja. You guys got to check these guys out. Go to Ardent Outdoors. I have the Apex tournament, the left-handed reel, because I'm a left-handed reeler. So if you're a left-handed reeler, they only have a few of them that's got for left-handers. Oh man, that is nice. And this this Edge rod, it's a medium heavy action. It's a 7 foot 6 rod. You guys got to go check them out, man. I'm telling you. I've used many rods and reels, but man, they got their stuff together over here. Let me tell you. I know you guys are thinking, this dude's talking smack. I've got a reel that's super smooth. It does the same thing. Well, that's great. I mean, that's cool. But I'm just going by what I've used, and I've fished tournaments. I've done a lot of the serious bass fishing and stuff like that. River fishing, ocean fishing. It's just, I'm just telling you by what I've had in my hands. I've had a lot of different companies, and I thought, you know, their stuff is smooth, but nothing like this. There's no noise to this thing at all. And it'll cast a mile, and that's a topwater bait with 30-pound braided line on. I have the 30-pound TUF-LINE on here. That just goes to show you there too, is check out TUF-LINE, because their braided line casts farther and smoother than monofilament, in my opinion. I'm just here, I'm just being honest, and I'm showing you guys this on video. You see the stuff right in my hands. It's in action. And also, I like this, the longer part of this rod, especially if I'm using topwater or crankbait. I like this part of this rod here. It hits my arm, and it just stops that. Gives me more support. Keeps my bait right there where it needs to be. Here's one. Well, he's pretty warm. He's a little guy. Look at that hookup on that Ardent. Woo-wee, that was nice. There he goes. Back into the drink. The first cast, I was blown away. Oh my God, I love this sucker.